Hi, my friends. This is Linda. I'm from Luoyang Hongteng factory. Now, as we can see here, this is a aluminum ingot casting line. You can see this orange one. This is a control cabinet for the melting furnace, and this silver one. This is a 500 kilogram aluminum melting furnace. It's IGBT type melting furnace. We can see here. This is a reducer. Means this furnace is tilting by reducer control, and inside there will be a crucible. We can see here the black one is the graphite crucible inside, and it's too high. I can just show you. And here this is a liquid outlet mount. You can see when the furnace begin working, we will add a chart here to connect the furnace mount with the casting device, and let the liquid flow inside this casting device. And here we can see from this side, this round plate, it have several mounts, outlet mounts on this round plate, and it will rotate when the working begun, and so we can see the aluminum liquid will flow into the aluminum mold begin casting. And this is ingot mold. We can see this is each one ingot will weigh about 10 kilogram. And we also can customize the logo for customer. For example, the customer want to put their logo here, and we can customize for you. And when the ingot produced, we will see the logo on our ingot. This is a 500 kilogram melting furnace with 6 meter long casting line. Yes. Thank you.